Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to change height of row in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So if you want to change the height of one row, so just place the cursor between two rows on the line. So when your cursor is on the line, just press the left side of mouse and then drag to upper or lower, so where you need. So you can see when I drag to lower end, so when I will leave the mouse, you can see the height of row is changed. So similarly, so by second method you can also change the height of row. So for this, select the row. After that, click the right side of mouse, and here you can see the options of row height. So just click on it, and here select the height of row according to your need. So after selecting the height, just click on OK. So you can see height is changed. So similarly, if you want to change the height of multiple row, so just select the row. So after selecting the row, click the right side of mouse and then click on row height, and here select the height of row. So after selecting, click on OK. You can see row height is changed. So if you want to change the row height of all the sheet, so just select the sheet by click on it. So you can see the whole sheet is selected. So after that, place the cursor between two row and then drag to lower end or upper end according to your need. So you can see the row height is changed. So guys, in this way you can change the height of row. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Microsoft Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Microsoft Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.